aba and found brand GCN page so Mestro subscribe to my channel found some ya bell on so obey a notification and some echoes wo men be obey betie and as obey be a share e wo GCN page ha midi e de adwoa sechi na amanfo bo yeye Ghana fo mpelefo munjina ye amanfo ba amanfo ani abre na Ghana politicians aho omo dai eso ho dai e bo omo tirim kurada se embre bi eba bedu a youth no anase timemfo no omo ani bete no omo ahu se bio politicians no e da omo ana ene ya asem sebe sisi ekura me sure se politicians ne bi mo do omo nda omo tu medwi ho a calculate ya se sisi amanfo ani abre sisi yin kura hye na Ghana fo bi omo ama no ne omo ani abre omo ti abre tro omo ani abre pa omo kire se omo atukwan akotena amanfo omo kuro so ebi obi akobobra by 46 45 50 60 no person sanso eba nachi na obeba na se oman na atete apansama no omo de fa he enya de omo betumi atena because the whole system no omo ba na ne ha system no inhia omo entumi ntina nti omo ani abre papa se omo ku age oman ga na si wo se ne be ya omo ba omo betumi aye comfortable na omo atene na Felix Apia eye Facebook blogger ni program o ye ni din e the political zone na Felix eye na obi e phone line etu any discussion ekoso FNPP na NDC nsem hu asedu ekoso wo manmu e na obi e phone lines na gan fobi e friend omo e kirese sisi omo ani abre na enibre na omo ani abre ni na hwa ne so na eba ori ofosu ampofo ne so e na eba de eti a eba ori ofosu ampofo de so nya ne se omo jiji sika eni sika na mu yedu papa na omo de afa lawyers na lawyers no omo fa wo Ghana ha omo de free baby omo wo no e na eba because omo nkofa lawyer e wo Ghana ha no na ori ofosu ampofo e na ndc fu bi enko bribe lawyers no na omo nya asem no kokwasa na asem ni jingu no omo ntumi mbosa nkwase aka no dabi enti eni sika na omo jije na omo bo modern so omo na emu ayedu papa na omo de afa lawyers enye lawyer ba ku mienu be 3 na omo de aba o my Ghana na omo de aba be face owura ofosu ampofo na face omo be face ni na so omo be bisa no say omo Ghana for explanation e kwan of aso a enti adwe ba ni tiri motena asia ye audio say aho amanfo embene transformers amanfo enhye market amanfo enye kidnapping say na be MPP abai no omo ani begu ase ampa kidnapping market ehye ene niam ekoso de nyasem ketu akra yenka so ofosu ampofo ene waye but audio bi e ba out a Ghana fu bi esu se audio no eye ofosu ampofo ne voice no anything na se niam anyi na ededi nti ene Felix e chese ene afide amafo bo yeye ofosu ampofo yeye gina ye omo ani abepapa omo de ba wo so omo do kwa kwagina de kem enti na ye study na omo fa lawyer no kra wo Ghana ha kra na mo atumi adrive omo straight from baby omo de baby a na chese ene omo de bendisi fo so ene mo aso be shitu na say ene omo de etudwa
we have started on could take you on
good work.
I think that
good work for what you are saying, but we have already started that process. We have started the process. What we are trying to do is Ofosu Ampofo is the #1 suspect that because on the we have all the evidence. The tapes has been authenticated by the Israelis forensics. So we know say a Ofosu Ampofo voice and he said that. So as at on my page now no the aye say ye jiji ska ye pese enya good amount na ya fa lawyer na ye mfa wo Ghana boss tie ni ye
good
ye mfa Ghana lawyer ye fa lawyer we buchire ha na ye mfa lawyer baako ye fa a team of lawyers na case no ye de ko Ghana na ye ko try case na say Ghana for ye say or ye penin ti omo be kata so na o munja man nkan ade a e hwa na transfer case na ba Hague. Yeah, the Beba Hague because it's part of the war crime. When you read the way war crime standard now, the Ofosu Ampofo kind it falls in between that a barrier into we can take him on in the Hague. It's because the Ebeya me yan say Ebeji diska akofa Ghana ni lawyer no te Ghana no Ofosu Ampofo be kwa command car.
Now why command price
command car. Ama case na. Into the yanka say the lawyer say the free hako. Se case no see the case ni be do a na ya prepare ye ho ye kwa sebe efia omo bedam die ye benya bia ma omo madam what you say Then we make sure we use a Ghana for a $1. My brother, if I don't do this thing now, I will not be satisfied until I see Ofosuampofo standing in a box telling us why he told people to go and bend transformers, why he told people to kidnap people's kids, why he told that he will make the country on government until he's able to explain that. And whether people pay or not, we will find money. Just say to get a good lawyer, we live in a foreign world. It's expensive, but I'd rather have a competent lawyer who can judicate on a case all the way in Ghana than to pick a Ghana lawyer to for some of the NDC for command the car. Baby,
influence.
That is not what I'm trying to do.
With them pacho be chawano. Yeah. It's in pacho kasa ube penny the means I benam so etimi esudi yensu yentu buaka kaba. Me wonder before me wo namfufo Washington DC ha enema ekoso wo that promo no. Eyo mu hiama. You bet me mobilize ye home and then a choir so be mumpini be into platform is on a choir to Bobby and be starting now. Why?
A political zone page near political zone gh@gmail.com. A PayPal. If you want to send PayPal, you can Deba and say the people in Ashanti region, for that matter, Kumasi, say you vote near Dema Mahama. Because they say Mahama Okachira ye say Asante for the Sabi, ye do go do ya kwama ye cry and ye feno. Or we come and see Ekosa ye ntiobi egu ye sunu se mumu bi mu we afia meka ka mo. Free SHS we Jimmy Foni bi na mo de Muslim koto abade ma Mahama no. Mu ni mu ameka ka mo. The same man, wo kwa kuma say mo ye de Sabi ye do go do cry ye kwama Asante for enye mo fe. Owie ye no ana okọ ayi otokoko so fie ho ana obi say numa wo ho nina wo haw ne sen wo ho awurade bi ma semi ma me wo ho Moses oke num wo ho na enda num wo ho papa ya mbise mu bia nkompon kesin di Thompson po na nke ye mboma no ana Josh Alolome ne ye mboma no wo se da bi ope ultimate lumba na nkasa Sibo brothers ope no bi ya mpeda num ma asantefo ne ye mfa ncheche ya wura wonsam papa we abeka kire na o say oh min show na mehu case min tio na matimu dede nipa be wi ase ba kupo nipa be min tio na matu case o say asantefo ntimu case okosa na otumfo eno so video ho mo meye me say ya no me my platform we don't talk when we don't have evidence oh me say dia ye kan bia no ukogbo a utumi kohwe ampa dia o kan eni min kotumre me kire usie me kan na wabo ene da ho no Oka say ye do go the ye kwan man ya enye ye fawie no e no san ko sa ye nti obia na de ye mahini say sa da no so ban na boy na ye NDC for ban me bufu efu ye pa no boys ni bebre NDC for boys ye rasta mun ye rasta basa nkunko mu basa de tie na pe ye Jimmy for lie Jimmy na Epia yambo concept na o mine sika ne nhye kwasi asem nkwa ye nuanu me abefra ye ntumi ambo bra ye de o man ya hye yensa 29 years still I that should be said already 5 years in his identity if you are yensie na we sorry also your party nti beto ababa no yeah your mind ashe won so asem we na sometimes Ghanaians unim it's all about critical thinking because what your mind show be inside 29 years minua enye it is not a small you 29 years na onipa na wo di ade acha ono nsa 29 years no onu mu aba abegina say oh Ena why is this place not fixed? Why is this place not fixed? Our bra onu nimpefe say onu na breso ofeli ye na onim de ma NDC fo ho eye tan eye hikura ne say omo kan say after Rollins kufo ba ya omo si owe de yeso bebe bi wo ho ba ya eko ye bedi bi yeso bedi bi no ye de ma omo no omo si ye de ama papa bi e friend Captain Mahama, General Secretary of Chop and Create and Loot and Share Family. Captain General Mahama himself, the darling boy, golden boy. Yes, and the Hokra Nef, Intina Mano to Abamano, Kofi Dubai. Yes, Kaswa, Metua 120 million, so they be ensure you or traffic at you. Come and come circle, ensure particular where you is Metia 260 million. Yeah, I'm the boy, infrastructure mine, airport ensure to an egg. Ano magene boni e wasa papa we trimuntino ni project ya wo ye ni na nsuo to ya na agiri we so nyame na meka Kwame Nkrumah nsuo to a wo de dawa ko okura utumi yimpata e de kofie Kwame Nkrumah sekre no Dubai na o de gye 260 million no nsuo pitipiti sesi a wo fa sonso no e fa dawa wo be yi ndwene ne mpataku ni na wo sesi a nso yese yaye